dokie, right, this is going to be my last soap for this day. Now, as I mentioned in previous videos, these will all be going up on separate occasions. It's just that I'm doing a soap session of 5 different batches, and this is my last batch today. So this one is going to be, oh, I forgot my mould again, Scarecrow in the pumpkin patch. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. Okay, mould is ready, and I'm kind of ready. Okay, I'm going to have to move quick with this one because if my memory serves, it moves really fast. So I'm hoping that that's not going to be the case today, but I'm going to guess that it will be. So I'm going to move really quickly, and I'm going to do 3 sections and just pour it all in as quickly as I can. So I'm going to be using some ground roses, which are in here, and some, what the hell else was I going to use? Rasool clay, oh yeah, and orange mica in another bit. So I'm just going to stick down this to trace, or light trace, or not even trace at all. Okay, so let's pour a bit off for my rosy bit. And a bit for my orange mica I'm going to use. Got a lot of orange, so it's Scarecrow in the pumpkin patch, and then the rest we'll do Rasool because I've been using this a lot lately and it's a new bag, so I'm just kind of, you know, enjoying using it. So we'll go kind of dark. So I just wanted like nice autumnal colours for this one, but as it moves, or it did before, I don't want to end up getting caught out, so it's going to have to be a kind of a quick in the pot. Well, not in the pot, but get it into the mould as quickly as possible sort of thing. You can see what I mean. And then ground roses here. So let's just get those blended in, and then we'll do the fragrance and get it into the mould as quickly as we can. So Scarecrow in the pumpkin patch is a blend of pumpkin and sugar frosting, hay and dirt. Okay, so we want the majority in there, a little bit in there, a little bit in there. Just get the mould ready. Hold on, bit of mess there, not in the way. Okay, this is going okay. I might have soaked too hot before, it might be that caused me the problem, but I'm just being a bit precautious today. Yeah, that's fine actually today. It's probably me then last time. What I used to be like years ago, well not years ago, but a while ago, I used to just as a bit of a nightmare. I was always using like my lye and my oils way too hot. I'm a bit better these days, especially when I'm working with these batches, because I know that I have to move pretty fast but keep everything kind of cool, and everything cools down towards the end of these batches. Like I've got my lye all prepared and my oils all prepared, and then when it comes to making them, when I'm getting to the last ones, everything is too cool, so I have to sort of heat the oils back up in the microwave just so that we're at room temperature and not too below that, because otherwise there's a risk that it won't saponify. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a quick swirl with my chopstick through there. It's not really going to do much because it's going to be quite a rustic looking bar. And then just got to take these goggles off again, just get on my nose, I can't see. So let's get that one down the side. It's gone shady again. It'll be sunny again in a minute and the light will change. So I'm going to go home this afternoon and I've got to order some labels and things, and I've just developed my shampoo bar and the assessments come through from my chemist, so that's ready to go on the website. So I've got to upload that later. So it's just organising. So I thought I'll take the afternoon at home and then I can get it all done. Rather than sit here, I may as well sit at home and do it on the laptop with my little doggy. Oh, burning up here, it's hot. It's going warm outside. Well, it is warm. It was warm this morning. I went for a long walk with the dog. Okay, let's get this down the side. This is just so when I pull the soap over with the spoon, it's got the colour that I want in the right place. So if I was to put the orange on the top and then put the other colour underneath, you wouldn't get the orange coming through, you wouldn't see it because it would be hidden. But I want the orange underneath, so when I move the spoon over it, it shows through. Okay, and the last bit. I might use some more of my cow parsley seeds I've got left just to put on the top of this, because it'll give us more of that harvest vibe. This has taken me 4 hours to get 5 batches made today. I know what I've been doing. It didn't normally take me that long. You can see I've been enjoying myself, listening to my music. Okay, now I'm going to leave that for just a short while, and then I'll be back to show you the texturing of the top. Okay, let's get this one done as quickly as I can. There you go, see? The orange underneath comes through. So if I put that on the top, I'd have been covering it up. This is a mistake I'd made before when I was trying to get this effect. Oh, lovely. Feels nice. Okay. Get rid of that. And I've got these cow parsley seeds, which I'm just going to stick on the tops of my peaks, I think. Smells nice. Smells like autumn, like really earthy and kind of like it's hard to explain, almost like walking into like a farm shop type of a scent, if that makes any sense. It will make sense. Everybody knows that smell, don't they? Like, you know, the smell of like vegetables and like root veg and things like that. It's got that kind of a scent, but with yeah, that like really nice autumn pumpkin as well. Okay, let's put a few more in. Just use them up. So that was a good soaping session. I got some nice batches there. So if you follow my Instagram, you'll see all of these together, because I should do a picture of today's soaps. So Instagram link below. And come and follow me over there, because I post quite regular on there. Always posting soap pics. Always, always, always. and sometimes I do live videos there as well, so that's worth tuning into. So every now and again, if I'm bored, I sort of think, oh, I may as well stick the camera on and have a chat with everybody. And it's nice because you can interact rather than like on YouTube. I don't do YouTube live, so I use Instagram to do that sort of thing. Okay, I think that'll do. I'm hungry, I haven't had any lunch yet. Okay, so there is Scarecrow in the pumpkin patch, and I'll be back for the cut on that one. And I'll see you soon. Bye!